Buggy's World. Today we went to the mailbox and we got a package. And this is the box that came for Buggy. And this is from Bizy Beauty. Steph, she wanted to send her a little something, so we're going to go ahead and let her dig in. Here, open this up. Oops, 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 wait, you got stuff here, honey. Right here, look. What is this? Stickers! I'll hold those. I know, you're after Poppy. Oh, what is this? Look at this, Bug. It's a tablet. Look at the tablet. It's Poppy tablet. Oh, what is this? Did you open it? Unzip it. Unzip it. There you go. Oh, you can see what it is. We'll zip it back up. It looks like you got crayons and markers and a pencil. It is crayons, markers, and a pencil, and then there's the back of it. We're on to the next thing. Oh my goodness, what are they? What is this? Oh my gosh, she saw something. She's like, hold on, honey. Put this back in here for just a second, okay? What are these? Are these stickers? Oh, are these stickers? They are 3 sheets of stickers with the trolls on them. She absolutely loves Poppy and Branch. Okay. Now what else is in there? Oh, did you get hair ties? Look, it's Poppy. She got some hair ties. Thank you so much, Steph. This is so kind. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? You just looked it up? Oh, here. I don't know what this is, but it's kicking my butt. Okay, so what is this? Oh, got it! Oh, Steph! Look at this. This is the front of it. And then when you open it, it's makeups. Look at this, honey. And then it has a little mirror. Look at this. You got makeups. Oh, you got makeups. No. We're not going to put it on now. But look at that. And they got Poppy on the outside. Yeah. Let me tighten this back up. Oh, did you get more hair ties? For your piggy tails. Look, it's Poppy and Branch and Barb. I'm sorry. She got some more hair ties. And then she got some invisible baubles. Oh my goodness, I'm running, I'm not going as fast as you. And then she got some trolls with Poppy chain bracelets. Oh my goodness. Look, did you see Poppy? Oh, what is that you got? Is that an eraser with Poppy on it? And then there you go. You want to take a look? She loves Daniel Tiger too. She does not have any Daniel Tiger coloring books, so that's a good call, Steph. Oh, look, there's stickers. Bug, look, there's stickers in there. There's the coloring book cover. And then, look at that. Daniel and Prince Wednesday and Katarina Kitty Cat. And then it's a coloring book, and then there's also stickers. So this is really nice. Thank you so much. What else did you get? What is this? Did you get rings and earrings? They're rings. She got some rings and earrings. And what is this? A pencil sharpener with Barb? Here's a pencil sharpener with Barb. What is this? That's it, honey. That's everything. That's everything. I'm going to close the drawer. We're going to move the box, and then we're going to look at this. This is a storage box. This is for your makeups. Oh. This is so funny because, as you can see over here on her thing, her brushes go in that cup right there. Because Steph hooked her up with a whole bunch of brushes. So we had to get a brush cup. Oh, Buggy, look at this. If Mom can get in it. This is so kind of you. Thank you so much, Steph. I really do appreciate this, and I know she does. Also, look at this, honey. Look. Little drawers. Yeah. Little drawers. Look, you can put your pencils. I guess it's not for makeup. She can do her school or her stuff here. Look, there's a sharpener. Where's the eraser? We can put the eraser in there. And then we can put your pens and markers in it. Look at this. We can put your, I'll sharpen your pencil. It's right on the other side of the wall. You can put your pencil in there. And we can put your crayons in here. Oh my goodness. I wish I would have known this came today because these crayons are starting to melt. Because it is almost 100 already. But I wish I would have known because we would have did this so much sooner. I mean, our mail was here like 3 hours ago. So I'll go ahead and put those in there. Looky there. Oh my goodness. And then you got, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Where's your, I'm trying to get to the tablet. I'm sorry, honey. Your stickers. Oh my goodness. Here, look, here's your tablet. So you can put your tablet with your little box here. And you got stickers to put with your box here. So I'm cover the address. And then we'll put your hair baubles. We could put your hair baubles in this too because it's gotta go up because she can't trust it with crayons yet. She wrote on the screen door, the refrigerator, the couch, the coffee table, and long and behold, the baby stroller. Ooh, there's your rings. Here, we can lay this across to make it look pretty. There you go. All right, Steph, I want to thank you so much. Can you, hey, sit down in your chair. Say thank you, Steph. Wave hi and say thank you, Steph. Busy Beauty, thank you. Thank you so much, Steph. I really do appreciate this. And I know she's going to be head over heels for the next 6 hours. So, great babysitter, and I appreciate it so, so much. If you don't mind, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you don't mind, if you could share it out, we'd greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Excuse me if I could talk. We're going to be doing a lot more content on this channel for her. We've got it filmed. I just need to edit it and get it up. And we'll go ahead and we'll see you in our next video. You can here stand up here and say bye-bye. Put your feet down. Bye-bye.